Hello you guys, and welcome back to our Boxycharm unboxing, where we are going to be unboxing this bad boy. I have some fun things in here. I hope, pray, that we have some fun things in here. We have our base box, and I'm going to show you everything that's inside here for the month of October, and let's see what's inside of it. I will say I do like the month of October. It's probably one of my favorite months, just because my son's birthday's in it, so we get to plan something fun, Halloween, and I always feel like starting now until Christmas, there's always something going on. I don't know about you guys, I'm sure you guys are the same way, but things progressively get really busy right around the holidays, and I'm starting to feel it. As always, if you guys want to check out more about Boxycharm, whether you are first-time subscribers or maybe you unsubscribe but you're still wondering if you should resubscribe, all the information you need about them will always be linked down below where you can go and check it out. But let's do this. I'm assuming that this month's theme is definitely going to be like based off of Halloween, and truly it is. So here's this month's theme, and on the back they will have information, but this month's theme, it says everyone will be under your spell. So let's talk about the first thing I see here, which is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Spice palette, and you have 9 big eyeshadows. Swatch them for you. We have that one. We have this matte cream one. It's gonna be this bronze shade. We've got a plum shade here. We've got another like raspberry tone. Oh, sorry, that was my phone. We got another raspberry tone. Let me take off my watch because chocolate brown here, sparkly raspberry shade, cranberry shade, I should say, creamy matte shade, which actually comes off on my skin tone. 9 eyeshadows. In the past with palettes from the Ciate brand, I have found that they swatch really nice and like the eyeshadows are really buttery and stuff, but when you put them on, they kind of all tend to blend together, or the payoff is not as like vibrant as I'd like it to be. I've had that with a few of them. Now, I've never had an issue with like their metallics. I have found that their metallics are really nice and creamy. It's more so the mattes that are just a little too soft. The mattes can be a little too soft for me sometimes, and I end up having to switch to another palette because it's just, I can't get the payoff that I want in them. So I will play around with this. How many of you guys have already watched the Hocus Pocus #2 that came out? We watched it the other night and I thought it was cute. I actually felt really bad because right before we knew it was coming out, we started watching Hocus Pocus 1. I guess maybe I lacked in the whole like watching Halloween movies with my youngest son, because I was like, let's watch Hocus Pocus #1 so that way we're ready for Hocus Pocus 2. And he was like, I've actually never seen it. And I was like, yes, you have. Like, then I realized I watch it with my daughter. And so that was his first time watching it. And I will say that I didn't think it was scary for him, but the next day when we were walking to school, something like brushed up against him as we were walking and he freaked out. And I was like, oh, okay, well, let's keep it light here. So I'm gonna have to work him in with those like kind of scary, but still, you know, not scary movies. Moving back, we now are going into this brand, which is called Treloose Beauty. This is the Lucette Glow Highlighter Palette. Ooh, I'm already wanting this one. I already want to see this one. Here are your 4 shades: Loose, Velour, Cosmic, and Upgrade. I was actually thinking this morning, I was like, I want something icy white. So let's give it a shot, shall we? I'm gonna put that on the inner corner. I mean, I have something already, but I just want to see, wow, it does intensify it. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's put some right here on the bridge. You guys, look at that. Oh, I could definitely just say that I'm going to enjoy this palette just even for this shade right here. I love icy white highlights. Like I always go for those. If I can find something with icy white highlight, I'm like instantly sold. Fleur and Beauty. This is Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Cream. Creams. I like eye creams that are a bit thicker. Ooh, this is nice and thick. You can see that. Kind of like a whipped texture. Smells nice. I have used products from here before, and I think we've received stuff from this brand also. I also do have this Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer. This is the Breakfast of Champions is what it says. Dewy does not really something that I would drive towards. If it's a hydrating, I would definitely use it, but probably gonna hold off on that dewy. Not really my type. This is by Playa, and this is the Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner. Smooth frizz and softened strands. This has got coconut milk and Monoi oil. Oh my gosh. It smells like being on a beach. Ooh, I can get on board with that. I love me good hair products. There's 5 items that we got. Let me go over everything. Maybe I was thinking that I'd have more colorful palettes with Halloween. Maybe more Halloween vibe, like red lipstick, black liner. The Ciate palette is $39. The Trace Loose, however you say it, is $26. Then you have the Fluor Bee eye cream is $26. The leave-in conditioner is $24, and the Dew of the Gods is $32. You guys let me know down below what your thoughts are for this month. I kind of was expecting, like I said, more Halloween type makeup, but anyhow, I still do like this highlighter palette. That's gonna be good. You guys let me know what your thoughts are on this box. A very quick Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys are wondering what this makeup is, this makeup will be posted over on my Instagram. But I did play around with the Clay It Cool palette from Colourpop, which is on my eyes today. And yeah, but everything that you guys want to check out, if you guys are wondering what's on my face, as always, I'll link it down below. But I do have a look that will be going on to Instagram for this eyeshadow look. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys have any other questions, make sure to ask me in the comments, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye.